Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's quick guide is all about how to save links and articles in Slack, a feature that's super handy when you're dealing with a lot of information. Dive right in. The first thing to do is to locate the message with the link or article you want to save. Remember, you can easily do this by scrolling through your Slack chat history or by using Slack's search function. The reason we do this is to ensure you're saving the right content. Now that we've done that, hover over the message until you see the More Actions icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This helps us because it's the gateway to additional options, including the Save function. Next up, from the drop-down menu, choose the Save Message option. Once you've done that, the message will be saved in your Saved Items section. The reason we do this is to store the link or article in a place where you can easily retrieve it later. Let me explain why this matters. Slack is a busy platform, and important links or articles can easily get buried under tons of messages. By saving them, you can access them anytime without having to scroll through endless chats. After saving, to access your saved links and articles, click on your name in the top left corner, then select Saved Items. This displays all the messages you've saved, making it easy to revisit those important links and articles. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to save and retrieve links and articles in Slack, ensuring you never lose track of important information. Remember, the more you use this feature, the more organized and efficient your Slack experience will be. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.